I got something in a box. I'm going to take it out of the box. That's what unboxing videos are. No, I have a thing in a box, and I think I know what this thing is. I really hope so, because if it's something really embarrassing, I wouldn't be as stupid as to upload it to YouTube. Or would I? No, I wouldn't. No, I've not bought anything embarrassing. Oh, have I? It depends how well it works. If it works, I may embarrass myself by my poor consumer choices. But, it's a thing, I think I know what it's going to be. If I can get in the box, I can stop trying to fill the dead air. Just a quick word, Amazon. Just a quick word. You are going to be shrinking your packaging down. Don't look very shrunk, does it? I mean, that's what I bought. Needs a box this size? No. No, it isn't. Is it? No. I got this, you see? You can fit 3 of them in there. I couldn't afford 3 of them, but if I could have afforded 3 of them, you'd probably have sent it in a box the size of a bus. Or a bus the size of a box. I prefer buses the size of boxes. Easy to overtake. Ooh, he hates public transport. No, I don't. I just don't like being stuck behind a 20-mile-an-hour bus when I'm trying to go somewhere. And the bus isn't going where I'm trying to go before you try and do that one as well. It just doesn't work. Anyway, moving on from contentious subjects and shining a little light on something else, I hope. Yes, so that was the packaging. I don't know how I feel about everything going for this rather plain design. It's supposed to be kind of fashionable, and I guess it's better for the environment, but, you know, sometimes more is more. Just more pretty, that's all. But hopefully this will provide more. God, it's a bit heavy. Hopefully this will provide a bit more pretty. The reason I think, God, that's a bit heavy is I have LED light bulbs. They are illuminating here, and if I point the camera at one, yeah, it's probably going to go blind or dark, or dark after blindness. So I'm not going to do that. But, yeah, this weighs a lot more. Nope, scientific measurement there. The SI unit of light bulb weight, a lot more. So, that's that. And this is this. This is truly detailed instructions. How to connect with Amazon Alexa. How to think where I've put my device that has Alexa running on it. Let's not worry about that. Well, this part is the unboxing part. Look, it was a thing, it was in a box, I've taken it out of the box. There you go. That's unboxing completed. Achieved. Unboxing achieved. How to operate. Download AppApp. 3 ways to get the AppApp. By scan barcode. Search Smart Life by Google Play for Android system. Search Smart Life by AppApp Store for Apple iOS. Register and sign in AppApp. Run the AppApp. Sorry, I just have issues. Application. Look, search Smart Life Google Play, or if you've got an Apple, just seriously buy something a third the price that works better, is faster, and doesn't lock you out. Register, run. Why do I need to log in with an account? Oh, I suppose if you can do it over the internet, maybe. Configuration: power the Wi-Fi smart bulb. If you don't configuration, it is a normal bulb for one white colour. Well, all right. That is the unboxing achieved. I am going to come back in a moment with a bit more. Right, I'm back again. I registered, I did lots and lots of video where I was just trying to fill dead air because I could not get this bloody thing to work. And then I realised stupidly that it's already telling this thing, yes, that is the password and the right network for the 2.4G. But maybe it'd help if my tablet was signed into the 2.4G part of my Wi-Fi. Me stoops today. So, I did get it working, and because I got it working, I thought I didn't get it working in the video. I think I got it working after the video. So, I'm going to start again with my I am back, the magic of YouTube and video recording. The other bit may become an outtake. But anyway, I digress and tangentify. Not sure that's a word. It is now. Right, to get these to work, because lots of people say, can't get it to work. You know, it just works as a light bulb. Cannot get it to work. Step 1, make sure you have a router that works on 2.4 gigahertz. It can also work on 5 Oh, I don't know if there are any others. But make sure it works on 2.4. Make sure you've enabled 2.4. Make sure you have given 2.4 a router name, or a station name, ID name, whatever you want to call it. Station ID. Make sure it has a name that you can find, and a password as well. It is always kind of handy. Because this needs to connect to 2.4 gig. Make sure your mobile device is also signed into, the mobile device you are using with the application for the bulb, is also signed into your 2.4 gig. Mine wasn't. Mine was signed into the 5 gig. Hence me going a little bit mad for quite some time. Yeah, I'd kind of forgotten about that. Anyway, so that's the trick. When you have done that, then you turn the light on for 10 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You turn it off. You turn it on. You turn it off. You turn it on. You turn it off. You turn it on. At this point, it's very frustrated and probably just wants to go home and is looking for the number for a local taxi company. Hence the blinking. It's going, nope, nope, I've had enough. Right. The application kind of looks like this. There's another screen, but I've gone past that because I've registered now. So add device. Oh, what did I do there? Add device, it's a lighting device. Confirm it's blinking rapidly. It's blinking rapidly. Supported on here. You've probably just seen my password. I will try to remember to pixelate that out. Confirm. Connecting. 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 It connected last time. Why won't it connect this time? Oh, get on with it. Actually, last time it was slow, and then it suddenly went whoosh. And I went, oh my goodness, I have light. There, a bit like that. Device added successfully. Yes. Device added, achieved. And guess what I can do now? I can turn it off. You couldn't see that. I can turn it on. You can see that. I can turn it off. And what I can also do is kill some of these other lights before they kill me. Let's kill all the lights. Yes, no Christmas for you, lights. Ha ha ha. And it's on. And do you see how I'm doing it? And it's off. No, it's not. That's probably my screen. And it's see? But well, also it claims to be 650 lumen. Do you believe this is 650 lumen? If you do, I have many bridges to sell you. And I'm an astronaut. So, we've got a white control. We've got a white control. Yeah, it takes it from quite dim to very dim. Oh, but that's allegedly bright. Hold on. Dark bright, bright plain. What? Not sure this one does a damn thing. Does it do a damn thing? Nothing of note. Right, well that's those maxed out, and just look at the glorious illumination. I'm getting more than that from a 3-watt Poundland bulb. But the thing we're really here for is... Come on, click the wrong thing. The thing we're really here for is colour. Did I mention, or is it in the deleted bit? I wanted green sometimes in my purple room, and now I can have it. Yeah, and blue, and purple, and red, and yellow, and I'm not going to sing the rainbow song. And that's it. I don't know what to think, but hopefully you know how to set it up. Should you buy this? Do you want a very small amount of light that you need a tablet to control? And also probably need to buy a new router to be able to figure out how to use it. Do you? If you do, yes, great. I kind of wanted something that I could put in my overhead light fitting that might illuminate the whole room on account of my light switch being behind a door. This had practical value for me. This, no. But, you know, still kind of pretty. Oh, what happens then? Not a lot. Shall we go for, let's try and aim for turquoise. I'll probably really confuse the camera. It does, the camera thinks that is a lot greener than it really is. There you go, spooky, sort of steampunky, turquoisey dimness. Worst name for a cover band, well, for a cult cover band ever. Back with more soon.